How to log into Kiwi Online Banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch your web browser on your mobile phone or PC, then go to the search bar and search for Kiwi Bank right here. Okay, then tap on the first link that is on top, which is the official website for Kiwi Bank. Okay, wait for a while. Now you'll come to this website. Now at the top you can see the option of login. Just tap on it. Let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now you'll come to this page where you have to type your access number and your password. So make sure that you remember both of these details. Now in case if you forgot your access number or you need to reset your password, just tap on these texts that are in blue. Now for instance, let's say I want to reset my password. So just tap on password here. Now you need to enter your access number and your mobile number that you used to create your account. Now, after you enter the details, the bank will send you a text message with a security code in it. So you have to enter it in order to recover your account. Now, let's go back again and tap on access number in case you forgot your access number for the bank. Now you have to read these details and then follow the procedures in order to recover your account. So, this was it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.